I'd like to conclude with two statements of objectives for these two training modules, or for these for your consideration and for our discussion today. I'll first present these two objectives, and then we can discuss it, tweak it, or completely scrap it and start with a new one if you feel that the objective needs to focus on a different aspect. But I think these are a good starting point for our discussion today. Example number one. We're going to train our district managers in interviewing skills, including structured interviewing for store manager candidates. And we're not only going to give them the concept of interviewing skills and structured interviewing, we're going to give them tools, practice, feedback, follow-up, and the expectation is that after 12 months following the training, there will be a measurable reduction in turnover of store managers by at least 5% and at least a 3% improvement in sales nationwide above the already projected sales increase for the year. That's objective number one. That goes with the interview training. Objective number two, and this goes with the performance management training. The objective is as follows. We're going to train our store managers in performance management with a particular emphasis on customer service and sales, and enforcing existing standards for greeting customers and upselling. We're not only going to give them the concept, we're going to give them tools, multiple practice regimens, and follow-up. The expectation in this case is that the immediately desired behaviors will be observed 100% of the time, and that after 6 months, there will be measurable by 5% increase in sales nationwide over the same month from last year, and that monthly increase over last year will continue throughout the remainder of the year and beyond. Those are the two objectives. By conducting training in this way, and by using objectives, a thorough approach to training, we can expect, any organization can expect, to have your managers more actively, more enthusiastically, and competently managing the job performance of their subordinates, having them selecting better talent consistently, and achieve the desired business results. If you leave it to chance, some of the managers will be self-starters, some will do well with this, others will not. You'll get mixed results. But if we can approach it in a serious way like this, with engaging training that's well thought out, with good follow-through, then you can expect the kind of measurable results that you want. Thanks.